So, while I was recording the other video, I wanted to test how strong this thing actually is, and bloody thing stopped working. And I think I have an idea, because like Beats by Apple, these ones seem to be designed to fail after some time. And even if you connect them to the charger, just a second, no, like this maybe, you see, they are lit up, but they do not work. So let me show you how to fix them. And I think that this is quite easy to do. And I don't know, I have a feeling that this thing has been designed on purpose. So I'll remove these 4 screws and I'll turn on my soldering iron. Okay. So you know, one would think that the diode has gone faulty, but these diodes are actually quite good. However, the electronics in them are not. So this thing actually unsoldered. I don't know whether you can see it or not. So okay, that was not the thing I actually expected, but I did expect it to just unsolder it and resolder it again, basically some kind of a short circuit or something, but this is even better, I guess. Okay. Some shitty soldering, and these Nitecores are actually not the cheapest there are, but I think that this thing will probably solve it. Okay. Now what? I'm going to put this thing in here because this thing is moving way too much. Okay. Let's see whether this thing actually did something, but they did blink, so I think it did. So yeah, that's it. Basically, it's either the shitty soldering, or if everything is soldered on, just remove the plus, wait for a couple of seconds, and then put it back in, and that should fix your problems, because the battery is not glued to anything and the battery moves, so that kind of does the well, that kind of causes, you know, this problem. And I will be using double-sided tape just so that I can stick this battery to the other side, and I think that that will fix the issue. Okay, double-sided tape. This one is not the greatest, but unfortunately I do not have any others, so okay. Okay, this thing can go in the trash. This is actually quite precision cut. And stick it in here, and now it will not move, and I think that it will solve all of our problems. Yeah, most definitely. Awesome. So there you have it. This thing has been repaired. Now again, if everything is soldered on, just unsolder plus, wait for a couple of seconds, and then solder it back on. That should do the trick. Awesome. So yeah, this thing has been repaired. There you have it. And by the way, this flickering you see, this is due to camera. It's actually not flickering, it's steady. There you have it.